What the researchers did was they gave one group of people a homemade meal. They actually made noodles from scratch, just from flour and water, and served it in a broth made from water and vegetables and salt and pepper. And then the other group, they were given bought noodles from the supermarket that come with a sachet that you add hot water to, and that was served with a blue drink, a blue sports drink. And then they swallowed these cameras to give the visuals of what then went on. And 4 hours after they swallowed the real food meal, all that was left was white fluff in the digestive system, and that's how it's supposed to be, really well broken down by that stage. But for the people who had the bought food meal, 4 hours after they ate it and swallowed the camera, you could still see the teeth marks in the noodles. So what that suggests is if you have food in your digestive system for 4 hours exposed to all of your digestive enzymes and it hasn't been broken down, it suggests that maybe there are substances in some of these processed foods that we have no ability to break down. But then further to that, the blue drink had actually dyed the noodles blue, and that's because the dye in the blue drink was derived from petroleum, and we have no ability inside of us to break down petrol. So a number of artificial substances and colours and sweeteners are created synthetically, and some of the substances that they're derived from, I have concerns about whether they even belong in the human body.